Have you ever thought why you've been trying to manifest, but you're not getting the results you want? Have you ever contemplated that you may be your worst enemy? Hi there, my name is Kelly, and today we are discussing a beautiful topic. What steps you can take to grind yourself to death and jinx all your manifestations. Let's go. First, let's start with the easiest one. Cultivating negative thoughts. And I'm sure you're not gonna have any problems to engage with this one. Well, after all, the world is full of great news nowadays, right? Chasing of illegals invading people's homes everywhere. The price of eggs is the lowest probably in the past 50 years. Well, I just hope I don't have to go on an eggs-free diet. In the government has been more functional than ever before. As you can see, negative self-thought patterns create a roadblock as they drop your vibration. It makes super easy to squash your desires. So why not indulge in some self-doubt, fear of failure, limiting beliefs about your desires? And you know what? To speed up your negativity, here are a few things you can do. This one, I'm sure you're gonna like it. Call the downer friend. You know, the one. Really. The one that every time you are excited about something, keep it telling you, what are you doing? Or maybe that family member, the one who says, who? You? I think you should not do that. Well, unless you want to starve to death. Those are the best. Those are your go-to people who you should reach out immediately for support on getting down whenever you need. And by the way, don't forget to ask them for advice for achieving your dreams, because I'm sure they're rich at this point and they have the key for your success. And that leads us to our next tip. And this one is hot. Woo! Be controlling. Who doesn't like a controlling person? The one who drives you crazy. The universe loves this one. Actually, one of the best aspects of manifestation is the need to control outcomes, to really hold tight to outcomes. The more you try to micromanage your desires, the more you help the universe ability to not deliver to you. So, to help facilitate you keep a tight, very tight grip on control, just sit there and think of how you can get more control over the outcomes of your dreams, or how you can control people to do what you want. Or maybe start timing. Start timing when your blessings show up at your door. Not here yet. Not here yet. Or maybe how can you be more uptight or controlling overall? Also, this is a surefire way to drive your well-being crazy. And I'm sure you're gonna love that. So you start bottling up emotions, being emotionally distressed and driving yourself crazy too. So, why not try that, right? And what about the universe? Oh, the universe can't wait to help you. They love that. And that leads us to one of your favorites. Be impatient. And this goes hand in hand with being controlling. Because after all, impatience is one essential virtue in the manifestation process. In a world that often demands instant gratification, learning to embrace impatience can be awesome. And once you understand that good things come at warp speed, you can definitely alleviate the frustration that comes when your desires don't materialize right now. Isn't here now? Because the universe works on our timeline right now. And this aligns completely with your expectations. So, please, don't cultivate patience. Also, please, 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 don't engage in this nonsense, mindfulness, meditation, breath work. I mean, come on. These woohoo techniques that can help you ground during moments of anxiety and uncertainty. Please don't do that. Don't. And that leads us to a tip number 4. Be mistrustful of the universe. Here's the thing. Never trust the universe. Never trust the universe and your inner being. Never. When we talk about mistrust in the universe, we are talking about the belief that the universe doesn't have your best interest at heart and that will never provide you with what you need when you need it. And this mistrust goes beyond not hoping. It's actually a strong conviction that things never happen for a reason and that your desires will not, again, I repeat, will not be on their way to you. So to be honest with you, mistrust affects manifestation on a very deep level. When you embody mistrust, you tend to be more closed, more moody to opportunities, and you are more likely to give in to self-doubt. And this is a big deal. Because the universe responds to your vibration. Remember? And when you radiate mistrust, you become a magnet for those negative experiences in your life. And before long, you want to be saging yourself from head to toe. And that leads us to step number 5. This one, I don't know. Some people find it easy, some find it hard. I particularly find the hardest of all. But you let me know your situation. Please, no judgment here. So our tip number 5, or step number 5, be ungrateful. When you cultivate one scarcity mindset, you spend the whole day ruminating why things are not working for you, and in turn you attract more of that. When you're ungrateful, you align your energy with lack rather than abundance, and you signal to the universe that you're ready for your happily ever grind after. So incorporating daily ungrateful practices in your life can be something simple, but yet very profound. For example, you can keep complaining that things never work out for you and that your friend is the lucky one. Or maybe you keep saying to yourself you're not enough. Or maybe you can be jealous of that friend that bought that car you always dreamed of, but you're still driving your 1980 sedan. You got the idea. But the main point here is that the universe, source, the divine, is receiving your ungratefulness with open arms. And finally, it leads us to our final step. Drum roll, please. Take no action. And at this point, I'm sure you already know. Manifestation is solely thinking, and the more negative, the better. Complaining and hoping. Better yet, it requires no action. Woo! You just need to sit at home the whole day watching Netflix. And it's even better if you're not being paid to review a movie or a series. That's basically it. That's it. And you know what? You give your spirit guides, guardian angel, and spiritual team a break. They can relax, enjoy some free time, maybe even play a game of chess or checker. And they don't even need to worry about seeing your signs and synchronicities, or even guide you toward following your intuition. Basically, well, it's easy peasy. You chill out, they chill out, and no inspired action. And again, please, please, please stop the BS of meditation, mindfulness, breath work, or walking in nature. Please, nothing woohoo. As you continue on this journey of grinding, remember that the process is as important as the outcome. So close yourself to possibilities and stay wary of the universe. It will never have your back. Try to apply the simple steps one at a time. You don't need to rush, and you will be well on your way to a beautiful, grinding life. And deeply regretting a life of abundance that is waiting you. Oh, don't forget to let me know how it goes in the comments below. This is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.